Good evening, one and all.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So, warm welcome to you all to TSWRDC's Inter-College Virtual Commerce Quiz 2021. First of all, my hearty congratulations to the shortlisted students to this virtual quiz. Welcome to you all, the participants and the audience. So first, this is Halima, lecturer in commerce from TSWRDC. So my co-host is Radhika and Shashikala madam. Both are from commerce department, TSWRDC, WANAPARTHY. So first, let me tell you the rules of this quiz. There will be 3 rounds. Am I audible to you, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
madam.
There will be 3 rounds. First round is a general round in which we can pass. If you don't know the answer, you can pass the question to the next person. So each question carries 1 mark. We'll give you 30 seconds to answer. Within 30 seconds, if you can't answer, it will pass to the next person. And if he answers, she will get half mark. And the second, in this round, total 20 questions will be asked. Yeah, that means each student will be asked two questions. And the next round is buzzer round. Here we don't have buzzer, so you can raise. Whoever raise their hand first, like this, they can answer. Okay. But in this round, if you answer wrong, if your answer wrong, you will get 1 mark minus. Okay, ma? So in second round, which is a buzzer round, whoever raises their hand first, they can answer. If their answer is correct, they will get 1 mark. Otherwise, they will get minus 1 mark. And the third round is rapid round. In this round, we'll give you some topics. You can choose your favorite topic. Then on that topic, we'll ask 5 questions. Okay. But here, for the third round, based on first and second rounds, we'll select 4 students who scores highest marks. Those highest 4 students will be selected for third round. So in third round, each student will be asked 5 questions. After that, who scores the high marks, they will be the winner and runner. Okay. Winner will get 1,000 rupees cash prize, and the runner will get 500 rupees cash prize. So all the best to you girls.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so
Hope
much.
this quiz will be very useful for your PG entrance exams. Classes are going on, and you're all participating in the PG coaching classes. So I hope you answer well. Thank you. Can we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
In first round, I will ask questions. 30 seconds time will be given to you. So after 30 seconds, I will say time out. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, madam.
So in second round, Radhika ma'am will ask you questions. So Radhika.
Ma'am. Hello.
Get ready, Radhika. Check the time whether 30
Hello?
minutes. Ma'am, Radhika ma'am. See that?
May I double, ma'am?
Yeah, yes. See that. Please
Okay.
check the time for each question. It should be 30 seconds. And
Okay.
now take down the scores, ma'am. I'm going to ask questions.
Okay.
So here,
Okay.
10 students will be giving numbers. So the first, based on their scores, I have given numbers to them. So first one, Susmita. Susmita, your number is 1, ma. Are you here? Susmita.
Yes, madam.
Yes. Susmita 1. Vanilla 2. So first question will be asked to Susmita. Then second question will be to Vanilla. If Susmita fails to answer that question, it will be passed to Vanilla. Okay, ma. Then third one, Kokila. Kokila, your number is 3. Are you here, ma?
Yes, madam.
Good. Navya, 4.
Yes, madam.
Sirisha, 5.
Yes, madam.
Madhupriya, 6.
Yes, madam.
Soni, 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Spandana, 8.
Okay, madam.
Swati, 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Devi, 10. Devi? Devi? Are you here, Devi?
Ma'am, Devi has some problem, ma'am. I will call her, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, I will call her, ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah. Devi is in waiting room. I admitted her. Now, Devi, are you here? Hello, Devi from Nagar Karnool. Hello. Devi. Radhika, see that Devi is there or not. Radhika, please check once with her.
I think she is not joined, ma'am. She is not here. Hello?
Halima, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Halima, ma'am. She has some problem, ma'am. Network problem. She will join. She's joining, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am,
Hello?
Shashikala, ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, ma'am. Good. Now
Seems you are
better.
suffering from fever.
Yes, I have some fever. Really. Thank you.
Tomorrow are you coming or not, ma'am?
Yeah, I am thinking I want come. But what
Okay.
happens tomorrow, I will decide.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. What about Devi, Radhika, ma'am?
Ma'am, she is coming, ma'am. She has some network problem. She's coming, ma'am. Just a minute. I called her, ma'am. ఏమైరా మా అమ్మ తొందరగా చేసుకొని ఏదో చేసుకోండా నేను మేడం ని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాను తొందరగా
Okay, Radhika, let her be. If she has any problem, let her be. We can do with 9 members. Is it okay? So time is up. Already 15 minutes over. We have only 40 minutes in this Zoom platform. So all the participants and the students, I request you all that if the meeting, this quiz runouts due to the timeout, please join again by the same link. Okay, ma? So first
Okay,
question,
madam.
first question to Susmita. Susmita, your first
Respond,
question.
ma. Respond proper way. Then only
Your
we
first
have to
question.
ask, no?
Radhika, please note down the scores, please.
Okay, ma'am.
So, Susmita, which of the following is not shown on the liability side of your balance sheet of company? Your options: authorized capital, B, issued capital, C, paid up capital, D, reserve capital.
Authorized capital, madam.
And next question. Shall I? Radhika?
Ma'am, hello?
So I'm going to the next candidate, okay? Can I explain the answers here?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, at the time only you have to answer. If it is right, okay, right. If it is wrong, wrong.
No,
Give
ma'am.
right answer.
Okay, Susmita, sorry, that is not authorized capital. That is reserve capital. Okay, ma? So wrong
Okay,
answer.
madam.
And next question to Vanilla.
Yes, madam.
Share application account is which type of account, ma? Share application account is which type of account? Nominal account, real account, personal account, none of these.
They represent money from the
Nominal account, real account, personal. 30 seconds time.
Madam. Personal account, madam.
Right answer. 1 mark to Vanilla. Then Kokila. Kokila, your question is here. Penalty for delay in refunding application money. Penalty for delay in refunding application money. Have you ever gone through this topic, ma? Application money? I think so. So penalty for delay in refunding application money. Option A 6%, option B 5%, option C 15%, option D 20%. I hope these options are visible to you. Right?
No, ma'am, not visible.
Yes,
Options are
Yes,
visible.
madam.
yes, madam. I think it's 20%, madam.
No, it's wrong.
No, it's 6.
Excuse me, girls, don't say like I hope. Exactly, not that is the right answer. You have to give right answer. What your opinion? You have to give right answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, madam.
Audience also can answer. Audience.
6%, ma'am.
6%, ma'am. 6, madam.
Radhika ma'am. Audience ki score istunara? So they got mark, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We are giving score for audience also.
Yes, ma, it's 6%. Then next question to Navya. Navya,
Yes, madam.
conversion of physical shares into electronic securities. Conversion of physical shares into electronic securities is called. Option A, dematerialization. Option B, price rigging. Option C, rematerialization. Option D, none of these. Choose your correct answer. Check with your time. Hello.
Hello, Navya is there, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Navya, you have to answer this question, ma.
I muted all. Navya, you unmute yourself.
Yes, madam. Demonetization.
D. Come again.
Dematerialization, madam.
Dematerialization, that is okay.
Dematerialization.
Okay, you spelled it wrong, but I'm giving you the point. Okay. And next, Sirisha. Sirisha, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Sirisha, your question is the minimum share application money is. The minimum share application money is option A, 1 rupee per share. Option B, 5% of the face value of share. Option C, 10% of the issue price of share. And option D, none of these. Choose your answer.
5% of the face value of share, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next, Madhupriya. Madhupriya,
Yes, madam.
your question is right shares are those shares which are issued to. Right shares are those shares which are issued to the directors, option A, and option B, promoters, option C, existing shareholders, option D, none of these.
Existing shareholders, ma'am.
Existing shareholder is the correct answer. Very good. And then Sony.
Yes, ma'am.
Sony, your question is, dividend is paid on which capital? Dividend is paid on which capital? Your options: A, called up; B, paid up; C, issued capital; D, none of the above. Come on.
Paid up capital, madam.
Paid up capital is the right answer. Very good. And then Spandana.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Spandana, your question is, fictitious assets are shown on the asset side of the balance sheet of a company under the heading of A, option A, fixed assets, option B, current assets, option C, footnote, and option D, none. Fictitious assets are shown on the asset side of the balance sheet under the heading of what? So fixed assets, current asset, footnote, none. Choose your right option.
Ma'am, you are in mute.
Yes. Time out, time out. Then question is passed to Swati. Swati,
Yes, madam.
choose the right option. Have you listened that question, ma?
Yes, madam. Current assets, madam.
No, wrong. It's fixed assets. Fictitious assets will be shown under the head of fixed assets on the asset side of a balance sheet. Okay. And then Swati, your question now.
Okay, ma'am.
See, ma'am, which of the following is not a case of combination? I hope everyone knows combination of companies, businesses. Which of the following is not a case of combination? External reconstruction. Option A, external reconstruction. Option B, internal reconstruction. Option C, amalgamation. Option D, absorption. External reconstruction, internal reconstruction, amalgamation, and absorption.
External reconstruction.
No. The question is passed to next one, Devi. Devi? Devi not here, I think, right? The question is passed to Susmita. Susmita?
Internal reconstruction, madam.
Very good. Internal reconstruction. In internal reconstruction, only capital structure will be changed, right? So that is not a combination. Radhika ma'am, for Susmita, half mark. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Susmita got off mark, ma'am.
Half mark. Now, Susmita, your turn. Your question, ma'am.
Okay.
Calls in advance is shown in the balance sheet as. Calls in advance is shown in the balance sheet as dash. So option A, current liabilities. Option B, added to called up capital. Option C, current assets. Option D, deduction from called up capital. Calls in advance.
Current liabilities, madam.
Current liabilities. Very good. Next question. Right answer. Next question, Vanilla.
Yes, madam.
Vanilla, your question. Outstanding expenditure is a dash account. So outstanding expenditure is which type of account? Your options: A, nominal account. B, personal account. C, current account. D, real account. Outstanding expenditure. Time. Time up, Amma. Next, pass it to Kokila.
Madam, personal account.
Your time is up. So next, Kokila. Kokila.
Madam,
See the question. Outstanding expenditure is which type of account? Nominal, personal, current, or real?
it's a personal, madam.
Is correct. Half mark to Kokila. Radhika ma'am. Hello, Radhika ma'am. And next, ma'am. Kokila, it's your question now.
Okay, madam.
According to which concept? That means according to which accounting concept, proprietor of a business is treated as creditor to the extent of his capital. According to which concept, proprietor of a business is treated as creditor to the extent of his capital? Option A, dual aspect. Option B, business entity. Option C, money measurement. Option D, cost. Everyone has to on your videos. Please, everyone have to on your videos. The participants. I already told you in the instructions. You have to open your video. 9 girls.
Madam,
Make your videos on
yes, madam. It's a business entity concept, madam.
business entity concept. Very good. And next question to Navya. Navya,
Yes, madam.
your question is income received in advance by a business. Income received in advance by a business unit is what? Option A liability. Option B, an asset. Option C, a loss. Option D, gain.
Liability, madam.
Income received in advance. Right answer. And then Radhika ma'am, for Navya, 1 mark.
Yes, ma'am.
And Sirisha, your question is gross assets minus liabilities will be equal to, gross assets minus liabilities will be equal to option A, net assets. Option B, total assets. Option C, capital. Option D, net liabilities.
Net assets, ma'am.
Wrong answer, and moreover your time is up. And then Madhupriya, question is passed to Madhupriya.
Total assets, ma'am.
No, wrong. It's capital. Gross assets minus liabilities is capital. Okay. No one scored a mark. And now Madhupriya. Madhupriya, your question.
Yes, madam.
Trading account is which type of account? A, personal account, B, real account, C, nominal account, D, expenses. Trading account is which type of account? Your answer.
Personal account, ma'am.
No. Question pass it to Sony.
Sone.
Sony,
Yes, ma'am.
tell ma answer. Trading account is which type of account?
Nominal account, ma'am.
Nominal, correct answer. Radhika ma'am, for Sony half mark. Sony, now your
Yes.
question. Now your question, ma. A person who owes money to the firm is called. Sony, answer the question. A person who owes money to the firm or business is called. Option A, owner. Option B, creditor. Option C, debtor. Option D, banker.
Say some loud.
Owner, ma'am.
No, pass to Spandana.
Debtor, ma'am.
Correct answer. Radhika ma'am, for Spandana half mark. Spandana, now your question.
Okay, ma'am.
In sole trade balance sheet, assets are arranged in the order of. So in the sole trade business, balance sheet assets will be arranged in the order of. Option A, liquidity. Option B, permanence. Option C, transferability. Option D, all of the above. Sole trade business balance sheet. assets-
Liquidity, ma'am. Liquidity.
Yes, correct. Radhika ma'am, for Spandana 1 mark. And then Swati. Swati, your question. Unearned income is option A liability. Option B, an asset. Option C, a loss. Option D, gain. Swati,
Ma'am.
Are you clear
unearned
the
income.
question?
Unearned income is it a liability, asset, a loss, or gain? But time up. Next, pass it to time up, ma. Pass it to Susmita.
Susmita, Devi not there, no?
Devi not there.
Devi not came. Okay.
Liability, madam.
Yes, correct.
Who answered the question?
Susmita. I think.
Susmita. Unearned
Yes, no?
income. Unearned income.
Liability, madam.
No, ma. It is an asset. Okay. So with this, I hope all the students answered. All the students faced two questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Radhika ma'am, can you please reveal the scores for the first round?
Okay, ma'am. Just a minute.
Can I? Halima ma'am, can I?
Shashikala ma'am.
Can I?
Have you noted
Tell
the score?
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am. Go ahead.
right. Sushmita got 1.5
One
in
and
2
half.
rounds.
Okay.
Yes. Benela got 1 mark.
Okay.
Kokila got 1.5.
Okay.
Navya got 2 marks.
Okay.
Sirisha got 1 mark.
Okay.
Madhupriya got 1 mark.
Okay.
Tony got 1.5.
Okay.
Spandana got 1.5. Swati 0. That's it. 9 members only.
Okay. So the first round.
Radhika
the
ma'am,
first
eh,
round.
stop. Now, Radhika ma'am, is it clear? No? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Okay.
Right,
Correct
right.
score.
Okay. Navya, you are leading the first round, ma. After completing the
Yeah,
first round, you
2
are
marks.
leading. Okay.
Okay.
And second round will be buzzer round. So everyone has to on your video. So I can see who raised their hand first. Okay. Radhika madam will ask you questions.
Rates means showing here or maybe in chat box.
No, showing here,
Where
ma'am.
it
Like
is?
this, like this,
So,
like this.
yeah,
Okay.
you are I'll have to reveal your video and show like this. Yes, no?
Okay. Girls, this meeting will be ended. Rejoin again, okay? Due to the timeout, it is going to be end. So
And same
rejoin.
link only?
Yes, rejoin with the same link.
Okay, madam.
Okay, ma'am. Radhika, ma'am, are you ready with your questions?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Shall I ask the question, ma'am?
Wait, ma'am, you can ask in a second. What is rejoin after? No, that is better.
Okay.
That's
That's better. So
yes, no.
I
In
am.
middle there is no disturb. Yes, I think.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
All of you leave that video and again you have to join.
Yeah.
Same
Now,
link.
now leave the session and join with the same.
Again rejoin. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
All of you.
Okay.
Ma'am, who are the host? Please end this session.
Okay.
It will be better.
Whether it is true or false. Whether it is true or false.
Madam, will you please repeat the question?
Okay. Okay. Differential caste analysis can be made only in marginal casting, not in the absorption casting method.
Madam.
Whether it is true or false. Yes. Swati.
Yes, madam, it is true.
Madam,
It is wrong, Swati. It is true.
Swati, you are losing your marks as well as your.
Ma'am, she said it is true.
No, it is false.
It is false.
madam, firstly I raised my hand, madam, but you recognized me. You didn't recognize.
Halima, ma'am.
Ma'am, Swati is.
Madam,
Swati kept her hand like this. So always she's saying, Swati, please down your hand. Put down your hand.
Okay, madam.
Okay.
Sorry.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Next. Okay, ma. Shall I ask next question?
Okay, madam.
okay, madam.
Okay. What is the process of determining and accumulating the cost of product or activity? What is the process of determining and accumulating the cost of product or activity? Option A, cost control. Option B, cost audit. Option C, cost accounting. Option D, all of the above.
Madam,
Huh.
all of the above, madam.
Halima madam, Swati is raised their hand.
Swati on herself losing marks as well as she's not allowing others to answer. Swati.
Swati?
Madam, after completion of the question only, I raised the hand, madam.
Yes, yes, you are raising. Others are thinking. So,
That's also maybe that is in active mode only, not in silent mode and not in sleeping mode. Please, girls, please. Let's answer. Right? Swati got right.
you guys have the lifeline option. Why don't you use that lifeline? We are giving time also. No. So why, Swati, why you are in hurry to last marks?
Again, also Mahesh only.
Yes.
Yes, madam. Yes. Option C is a cost accounting. It is the right answer.
Swati, madam, wait one minute. Swati, you are in -3. You are in position in -3. Okay, keep in mind and answer. Right? Let's start now.
Okay. Are you ready for next question, ma?
Yeah, ma'am.
Madam.
Next
Yes,
question.
madam.
The loss incurred on incomplete contract is transferred to which account? A. Contract account. B. Trading account. C. Profit and loss account. D. Next contract account.
Sirisha raised
Madam.
her hand. Sirisha.
Profit and loss account, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Profit and loss.
Very good,
Sirisha.
Shirisha. Very good,
Sirisha
Shirisha.
got 1 mark.
Sirisha got 1 mark. Okay.
Okay. Next question, ma. The process casting is most suitable for which type of industries? First option, industries where different types of products are manufactured. Option B, industries where homogeneous products are manufactured on continuous basis. Option C, service industries only. And option D, all of the above. Are you clear the options, ma?
Yes, madam.
Okay. What is your answer,
Who
Spandana?
raised hand first? Shishkala ma'am, who raised? I'm confusing with
Maybe
the two.
I saw only Spandana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, industrial products and homogeneous products.
Homogeneous products.
Yes, madam.
Very good, Spandana. That is right answer. Homogeneous
Thank you.
products on continuous basis.
Thank you, madam.
Halima, madam.
Ma'am.
Second round, I asked 9 questions, ma'am. Only 9
Okay.
members are there. Okay, I asked 9 questions. It
Okay,
is
ma'am.
completed, ma'am.
Okay,
Will
ma'am.
you reveal the? Okay.
Okay,
Will you
ma'am.
reveal the?
Okay, ma'am. After completing 2 rounds, Susmita on same score 1.5.
Your voice is not clear, madam.
After completing 2 rounds, Susmita is on 1.5. Vanilla 1. Kokila 1.5. Navya 1, as she answered one wrong answer. So 1. Sirisha 3. Madhupriya 1. Sony 1.5. Spandana 2.5. Swati -3. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, madam.
So after completing the 2 rounds, Sirisha is leading now with 3 marks. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So now the third round, in this round, we'll give you some topics. So you can choose your interested topic. Okay. We'll ask questions from that topics. Okay, ma'am.
Is there any minus? Give some rules and
No minus,
Rules?
ma'am.
There is no minus?
Within 1 minute, we'll ask them questions. So within 1 minute, how many questions they can answer, they can.
Hello, Halima, madam. Hello, Halima, ma'am.
Hello, we have to shortlist 4 students here for the third round.
Yes, ma'am. That is I'm asking.
So
Sirisha,
Sirisha,
Spandana,
Spandana, and then
Sushmita, Kokila.
Smita, Kokila, and Sony also got 1.5. 3 girls are on the same score. So
Yeah.
can we ask one question among these 3 girls? So whoever
Ma'am,
answers
Sony is not there. I think Sony is not there, ma'am.
why?
Yes,
When-
ma'am.
Sony
leave
has
the
some
car?
problem. Sony has some problem. She put a message in chat box, ma'am.
Okay, then
Sony
now
is there, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
he's there. In participants, she is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
There.
okay.
Sony is here. So
Okay,
Sony And Kokila, Susmita, 3 got 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Radhika ma'am,
Yes.
can you please ask
Okay.
a question among these 3 girls? Who answers
Okay.
the right? They will
They will get second and another round.
final round.
They
Okay.
will get another round. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
1 point.
Only
Same,
3 after.
second round.
Who are
Second round.
Sushmita, Kokila, and Sony.
Sony.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
1.5, 1.5, 1.5. If one girl is answer, 2 will be at 1.5. Then we can ask one more question for the 2 girls. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Radhika ma'am, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Are you ready, ma'am? 3 girls, are you ready? Sushmita,
Yes.
Kokila,
Sushmita,
Sony, are you
Kokila, and
ready?
Sony. These 2 questions only
Yes,
for
madam.
these 3 girls.
3 members only.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Who will raise your hand first? You have the chance to answer that question, ma'am. Okay. Question is, the last step in financial accounting process is identifying the business transaction, recording of business transaction, classifying business transaction, communication of financial statements. Hello? Is it clear, ma? Hello?
Madam, repeat it once more.
Okay. The last step in financial accounting process is the last step in financial accounting process. What is the last step in financial accounting process? First one, identifying the business transaction. Second one, recording of business transaction. Third one, classifying business transaction. Fourth option, communication of financial statements.
Madam, can I say?
Raise your hand.
What,
Who
Kokila?
first?
Madam,
Kokila raised her hand.
madam, 4th option, madam.
Right answer. So Kokila 2.5. And now the last question in second round between Susmita and Sony. Susmita and Sony, the coming question is for you both only.
Okay. Unearned income is already this question asked Halima madam. Again, I am repeating this question. Unearned income is a liability, is an asset, is a loss, is a gain.
Asset, madam. Asset, madam.
Sony answered first. So now the 4 girls who
Madam.
after answered Sony, you answered, ma'am. So the 4 girls who entered into the final round is Kokila, Sirisha, Sony, and Spandana. Okay, ma'am. Remaining all girls, you can mute yourself and be in the quiz.
Listen.
Okay. Okay. Listen to that 4 girls.
Carefully.
Okay. So for you guys, I am sharing the topics
First-
here. I'm sharing the topics here, ma'am. Radhika madam, I am proceeding with the 3rd round.
Okay, ma'am.
See, 4
Sirisha?
girls. Sirish, Kokila, Sirisha, Sony, Spandana. So first, Kokila, ma. Kokila.
No, ma'am. Higher, you have to come in what is it? Who are highest marks? Maybe Shirisha and Spandana, Kokila, and
All
so.
the 3 girls have 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, and Sirisha only has 3 marks, ma'am.
3 marks, yes.
Kokila with 2.5, Spandana with 2.5, Sony with 2.5, Sirisha with 3 marks.
3 marks. So that's why in order Shirisha will be first. You have to ask first. My
Actually, we planned to come from the lowest to highest, ma'am. So
okay, no problem.
Among these
Let's
3
start.
girls, I'm starting with Kokila. Kokila. Kokila, choose your topics. Banks and CEOs, banks and their taglines, regulating authorities and industries, books and others, Indian women entrepreneurs and business, Indian companies and their founders. Choose your interested topic. Among the top
Yes, madam.
6 topics, you can choose one topic and I will ask you questions from that topic. I will ask you 5 questions. You have to answer within 1 minute. Okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay. Choose your topic.
Books and authors, madam.
Books and others. So I'm asking you, ma'am. I will tell you the book name. Tell me the answer, the writer. Okay? Author name. Okay. The Wealth of Nations. Wealth of Nations. Capitalism and Freedom. Why government is the problem? I'm saying the book names. Come out with the answer with other names. Okay? Das Capital. Wealth of Nations. Capitalism and Freedom. Why government is the problem? Das Capital. Wage, labor and capital. The poverty of philosophy. Money, credit and commerce. Principles of political economy. Radhika ma'am, please check the time.
Okay, ma'am.
The Wealth of Nations. Capitalism and Freedom. Why government is the problem? Das Capital. Wage, labor and capital. The poverty of philosophy.
Madam,
Cheppamma.
Madam, Wealth of Nations, Adam Smith, madam.
Good.
And madam, will you repeat again? madam?
Capitalism and freedom. Why government is the problem? Das Capital. Wage, labor and capital. The poverty of philosophy. Money, credit, commerce. Principles of political economy. I think time is up. Okay. So
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
Madam,
Time up.
please,
you answered one question. So total 3.5.
madam, please, madam. Will you give 1 minute, madam? Please, I will write the
No.
names, madam.
No,
Please,
Your
ma.
1 minute is completed, ma'am. Already 1 minute is
Got
completed.
1 mark.
Completed. Okay.
Got 1 mark.
Then, okay, no problem. We'll see others can answer or no or not. Okay?
Madam, I can
Then-
say second. Madam, I will answer the second.
Time up,
second
ra,
one.
Kokila. Please, no argue. Is it?
So
not like that.
before choosing your topic only, you have to be careful. Okay.
Okay, madam. I do know,
Okay.
madam. But
Okay,
I
ma.
can write the
Spandana.
answers, madam. I will-
Spandana. Choose your topic. Spandana.
Ma'am, banks and CEOs.
Banks and CEOs, right? State Bank of India. State Bank of India. Bank of Baroda. Bank of India. Bank of Maharashtra. Central Bank of India. Punjab National Bank. State Bank of India.
Dinesh Kumar,
No,
SBI,
wrong.
State Bank of
Wrong. Bank of Baroda. Bank of India.
Bank of
Central Bank of India. Indian Bank. Indian Overseas Bank. Punjab National Bank.
Sri Bank of Baroda, madam. Sri Datta Chand.
State Bank of India. No, ma, no.
Madam,
State Bank
Baroda,
of India.
Bank of Baroda.
Bank of Baroda. Bank of India. Canara Bank. Central Bank of India. Punjab National Bank. Indian Overseas Bank. Come out with the answer.
Ma'am,
Radhika ma'am,
time
I
up,
think
ma'am.
time up.
Yes, ma'am.
0.
Time up.
Spandana got 0.
Yes, 0.
Yes.
Next, Sony and Sirisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Sony, choose your topic.
Indian companies and its founders.
Indian companies and their founders. Okay, ma. Tata Steel. Tata
Tata,
Steel.
madam.
Tata. Very good. Next, Infosys,
Narayana Murthy, ma'am.
Narayana Murthy. Wipro, Reliance Industries, Bajaj Auto,
Wipro Mohammed Ashan.
Bharati Airtel, Wipro,
Reliance Ambani, ma'am. Reliance Ambani, ma'am.
Reliance Ambani. And two, you have to answer. Apollo Hospitals, Bharati Airtel. Apollo Hospitals, Bharati Airtel, Wipro,
Mohammed Asani, ma'am.
Wipro,
Prem.
Muhammad Hassan Premji. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Radhika ma'am, what about time? Bharati
Ma'am,
Airtel.
time up, ma'am.
Time up.
Time up, ma'am.
Very good. Well tried. Very
Sony
good.
got
Sony
4
got
marks.
4 marks.
4 marks, Riya.
Yes.
Congrats, Sony.
Sony, congrats,
Thank you.
ma'am. Then Sirisha. This
Sirisha,
this
finally.
time also going to end in 10 minutes. Okay, we can complete the session, I hope. Sirisha, choose your topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Choose your topic. among
Banks
this-
and
Banks and
banks and their taglines, ma'am.
banks and their taglines. Very good. Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Canara Bank, Central Bank of India, Axis Bank, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Canara Bank, Central Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda. Are you trying? Bank of India, Central Bank of India,
Mumbai, ma'am.
taglines. So
Since
Marvelous.
Central Bank of India,
Hal-
ma'am.
1911,
Punjab National Bank,
better life around the years, ma'am. Central Bank.
Halima, ma'am. Time up, ma'am.
time
Okay.
up.
Shirish also got 0.
0. So the winners.
Sony got
Sony got 6.5.
Sony.
Kokila got 3.5. Okay. Sony got 6.5 and Kokila got 3.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Spandana 2.5. And Sirisha,
and Shirish
3.
3.
Yes.
Yes.
Congratulations, Sirisha. Sorry. Congratulations, Kokila and Sony. Sony.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, ma. Sony.
Sony, congratulations.
Congratulations,
Thank
Sony.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Sony got first prize.
Very good. Give a plasma. Join your hands.
Congratulations, Sony and Kokila.
Congratulations,
Sony.
congratulations, Sony and Kokila. Sony first prize and Kokila second prize.
Second
Okay.
prize.
Thank you, madam.
Wait. Sony, you are from which college, ma?
Nalgonda, ma'am.
TSWRDC,
Kokila
Nalgonda.
also Nalgonda. Kokila
Nalgonda.
also Nalgonda.
Yes. So your mentor is Aparna madam, right?
Congratulations, Aparna ma'am.
Mentor Aparna ma'am, congratulations.
Will they be getting any certificate also, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
They will get certificate as well as their prize money. I will send to you, ma'am, as mentor.
Sure, ma'am.
Please,
Ma'am, Halima ma'am, once.
ma'am.
Aparna ma'am, thank you ma'am. Thank you for supporting us.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
No, thank you ma'am.
Aparna, ma'am. Sony, congratulations.
Girls, all the girls,
Thank you.
thank you all. Your support and encouragement. Right, ma'am.
See
Over to
here.
Halima ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. See here for Kokila and for Sony, claps a big applause to you, ma'am.
Yeah.
On behalf of Commerce Department, TSWRDC-WANAPARTHY, I think my screen visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Maybe time out.
That is for Sony. This is for Kokila and Aparna, ma'am. Thank you so much for mentoring your students and participating with us. Hello, Aparna,
Yes, ma'am,
ma'am.
you are audible.
Yes, ma'am. I'm very happy that our
Ma'am,
students have got and
ma'am, in poster, virtual poster also, you are students and you are the mentor in the segment of commerce Bitcoin.
so the mentors also should be given some what you say
Certificate, ma'am. I will send a certificate to the mentors also. Being busy with these all webinars and these things, I unable to send that certificate to mentors. I already sent the e-certificates to the participants and winners also. We'll soon send the gifts to the winners. And for this virtual quiz, we'll send the amount to your account via Google Pay or Phone Pay. So you can give to your students, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Anyway, they are going to come to college tomorrow, ma'am. In the college assembly, we will be giving them.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for your support.
Thank you for organizing such programs, Halima, ma'am, and the team.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's very nice session, and I'm happy that both of our students have received prizes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I thank my Radhika ma'am and Sashikala ma'am for supporting, for organizing this event. Thank you so much, Radhika and Sashikala. I thank our principal madam for giving this opportunity. So even though principal madam is not joined with us, she supported as well. Okay. Thank you, all the students, all the girls.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hope it will be very useful for you all. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. ma'am.
So we can end the session now.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.